Hi, it's Daniel. I've got a great tip for you. If you want to add more depth to any kind of hair color, use STYLECOLOR. And for this blonde tone, I'm using the Dusky Blonde, and it gives you like a really nice depth root effect. So shake it until you hear this, and then spray with a distance into the roots. And like you see, it adds a nice root effect to it. So it keeps the end light and the roots dark. And because it's a hairspray, it does add also more root lift and hold. What I like the most about this is when the hair moves. You can see how nicely and how cool that is. Okay, just a little trick. Have fun and enjoy that.